mabase hapa high rise, ni pata tu kusikia story yake and his opinion of how he feels about barabara kubadilisha from Mbagathi Way to Raila Odinga Road. So guys, nimempata, nataka tu kusikia his opinion about the changing of the road from Mbagathi Way to Raila Odinga Road. Yaje?
Hapo sana.
Jina.
Anaitwa Makolin. Makolin.
Umetrend sana leo Twitter
manze.
You were the first person kupigwa picha pale. When was that?
Actually,
the time I mean?
That was jana. Nilikuwa nimetoka hivyo juu like nilikuwa nimetoka shule. So like natembea tu and then naona hii kitu inabadilishwa jina. And then nikakumbuka ile story ya Atwoli. Yeah, Atwoli sasa ilitolewa. Sasa mimi unajua napenda ngarao manze. Kasema stand home hata nifanye kitu ya ufala nipige tu picha. Post tu yani nilikuwa the first person kuelewa sasa ikiunfoldiwa sasa ya
Una feel like that leo umetrend Twitter almost everywhere. Actually not only on Twitter, on Facebook.
Yeah. Wase wamepost. I feel sikuwa expect lakini okay, like I'm excited of course. Ukiona sura yako ikituma kimali, memes tumetokea hivi. Na feel too poa manze.
So what's your opinion on that barabara ya Mbagathi imebadilisha to Raila Odinga Road?
Well, I'm not from this place lakini from what I've heard ile watu wanasema ground. Unajua unasikiza ground?
Definitely.
Hiyo time yenye alikonga kwa gava alitengeneza hiyo njia nikaenda alitengeneza, so kama yenyewe he did that, which means it's really worth changing the thing where I think I'm happy about it. I don't have a problem with that. We celebrate mtu wakati yako uhai. Haitaji kukufa ndo uweke hiyo jina hapo.
So Baba really deserved that road.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And apart from that, what else do you do apart from being a student?
Well, I'm a musician. Mimi ni msee wa kuimba and then I'm a music producer as well. Napenda kuimba sana. Sing. And then I produce artists pia. As a mini content creator.
You create content. Yeah. So how many music or songs have you produced so far?
Well, I moved to Nairobi recently. And then before I came here, nilikuwa nafanya projects. And nilikuwa na like 2 videos. And then I have an EP I'm working on right now. Haijatoka lakini in few days time, ama a month, nitakuwa nishaitoa. Inaitwa Kisses EP.
Kisses?
Yeah.
Ai, mbona Kisses?
Ni kali.
Nimeweza.
Mr.
Director, hata hizo. So your songs, apart from the ones you produced, yours ngapi so far on YouTube?
My songs on YouTube. Well, on productions nimefanya kama 4 to 5 songs nishatoa already. Zenye zijatoka sana hizo mingi sasa. Sasa nakwanga na brand inaitwa Hits Factory Africa. Ni brand nimeanza tu yangu ya produce music yangu na wasanii wengine. And I believe kama vile unasikia kuna Soul Generation, I feel like personally I have a brand. Not like I feel, I have a brand. Yes, because I'm a producer, I shoot videos. So I have a factory of music. Yes.
So when did this passion in music start?
Well, nilianza kitambo kiasi. Like 5 years ago, I was just singing in choir. And then I realized that I can take this to the next level. And that's how I found my way into studio.
How has been the journey?
The journey has been tough. It's been really tough, but so far I thank God for everything. I can't really complain. I'm making steps, and I'm grateful for that.
In, let's say, in like 2 years to come, what do you see yourself as a musician?
I have a plan and I have a goal. I want to be influence again. I want to make some good music in the country. Not just good music, I want to entertain people here. You see the good music that entertains people here. Something that is just catchy, niko na vibes. No, napenda tu hizo good vibes. I just want to kuko kwa hiyo entertainment industry sasa kwa epicenter sasa. Ndani hapo ndani. Manze. Sicheze.
Wasicheze na wewe.
Yeah, man.
Umetrend leo Twitter.
What?
Anyway, thank you so much for your time and keep keep pushing.
Yeah, thank you.
Sasa jume trend hivyo Twitter. Si unaambia wasema tena nini? Ni mimi mkibia channel yangu subscribe.
Kwani ni nani? Ni Makolin. Ndo jina yangu. Ukinicheck YouTube, Makolin, producer Makolin, it's Factory Africa. Facebook, Twitter, I'm just Makolin. Makolin. Makolin.
Yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time. Peace.